Hi Avnish, look here. What is your topic today?
Universe.
Okay, why do you want to learn about universe?
We are living in the universe.
Okay, so you want to know
Universe is the whole world, like Earth.
Okay, no, Earth is in the universe, right?
Earth is in the universe.
Right, okay. And where have you collected all this data?
In that book,
What that book?
that science book, classics.
Okay, fine. Okay, can you just explain what have you done?
Universe.
Okay.
Universe is a vast expanse of space.
Okay.
Universe is formed 15 billion years ago after Big Bang explosion.
Okay. Can you read fast?
It has galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids,
Meteorites. You left O. Before R that
meteorites,
O. No, before R O has to come. Yeah.
meteorites,
Meteorites. Yeah.
and natural satellites like moons. A light year is used to measure the distance between celestial bodies. There are 1 trillion stars in universe approximately.
What is trilliard?
10 to the power of 21.
Okay.
Each galaxy has 100 billion stars approximately.
Okay. Actually, can we count the stars?
No. In sometimes rain and clouds, we can count 1 or 2.
Okay. There are few stars when there is a cloud. Okay.
Invisibly.
Yeah, visible, right. Milky Way.
Visibility. A galaxy is a huge cluster of stars. It is formed 5 billion years ago after Big Bang explosion. Andromeda galaxy is the nearest to Earth.
Okay. So there are lot of galaxies in the universe, correct? Milky Way. Okay. Solar system.
Solar system is formed about 4.6 billion years ago.
What is 1 billion? In Indian value?
100 crore.
Okay. Then 4.6 billion means?
460 crore.
Okay.
Solar system has 8 planets, 173 moons, a sun, comets, asteroids and meteoroids.
Meteoroids.
This is the asteroid belt
Where?
between the Mars and Jupiter.
Okay.
Jupiter is the largest.
Okay. Next.
About sun, it is 1 second. Sun is formed 4.6 billion years ago.
Actually, next sentences you can use it, right?
Yes.
First you can use sun. Okay. Next, it is at the center of the solar.
Sun is at the center of the solar system. Sun is the hottest star in the solar system. Sunlight takes 8.3 minutes to reach the Earth.
Okay. Next.
About the planets.
Okay. How many planets are there?
8.
Okay.
Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are before asteroid belt. These are called
Inner planets. Okay.
Inner planets.
Can you show in the picture? Yeah. Tell.
Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars.
Okay. There are inner planets. Okay. What is outer planets?
Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are beyond asteroid belt. These are called outer planets.
Okay.
These are big planets when appears in space.
Okay.
Inner planets are small planets
Okay.
in space.
All the planets move anti-clockwise, right?
Except Venus and Uranus.
Okay.
Next, description. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun and smallest planet. Venus is the hottest planet. Earth is the life-living planet.
What do you mean by life-living planet, Avi?
There are trees, humans.
This is the place where
This is the place where living beings here
can live. Yeah.
Mars is the red planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet and has 67 moons. Saturn is the ring planet. Uranus is the light blue planet. Neptune is the coldest planet.
Okay, fine. Next. What about Pluto? One planet was there, no?
It's not.
Now it's not.
Now it's not. These are dwarf planets. Is down now.
Okay, fine. Next. About sun, about the planets. Next. Description. Told. Planet.
1 second. One correction.
What do you want?
Planet rotation period.
Okay. What do you mean by rotation?
It is the spinning movement of the planet on its own axis.
Okay. So, okay.
There are 5 dwarf planets last.
Okay. And which has the high rotation period?
Venus.
243 days. And low rotation period?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Okay, 10 hours. Very good. Next.
Earth is 24 hours. Mars is 25 hours.
Okay, next. Revolution period. What do you mean by revolution? Next slide.
88 days.
It is the movement of
It is the movement of the planet around the sun on its elliptical path.
Can you show elliptical path? Where it is? Show the solar system. Where is elliptical path? Okay, here it's drawn in black color. Okay, so every planet has its own elliptical path, right?
Yes.
Around the sun. Next.
Lowest revolution time is Mercury, but Neptune is the longest.
Okay, fine. Next.
Big orbit. Distance.
Okay.
Mercury is the nearest, Neptune is the farthest.
Farthest. Yeah. Next.
Moon. Moon is formed 4.5 billion years ago. Natural satellite in solar system Moon.
Yeah.
Moon is the natural satellite in the solar system.
Yeah.
It takes to complete one full revolution about a month.
Okay. So total number of moons in each planet. So Earth has only one planet, right? One moon, right?
Mercury, Venus has no moons. Earth has one moon. Mars has 2 moons. Jupiter has highest number of moons is 67. Next Saturn, Uranus 27 and Neptune is 14. Totally 173.
Okay, next. So you have drawn the bar graph for a number of moons. Okay, next.
Phases of moon.
Okay, go.
About phases of moon. Light of moon increases. At day 1 we can't see the moon. This phase is called new moon.
Show in the picture. Where is the new moon?
Yes. At day 4 we can see some part of the moon. This is called waxing crescent.
Where it is? Waxing crescent.
At day 8 we can see half part of the moon. This phase is called first quarter.
Okay. Where is the first quarter?
At day 8 we can see.
No, that over. At day 12.
At day 12 we can see more than the half part of the moon. This is called waxing gibbous.
Yeah. Show in the picture waxing gibbous.
At day 15 we can see full part of the moon. This phase is called full moon.
Show it. Show it in the picture. This is the full moon. Okay. Next. So
light of the moon decreases. At day 18 the light of the moon decreases slightly. This phase is called waning gibbous.
Show in the picture, Avi. It's better you could have written in the picture also. Okay, no problem. Next.
At day 23 the light of the moon becomes half. This phase is called second quarter.
Okay.
The light of the moon is quarter is called waning crescent.
So waning crescent, where it is?
At day 27. At day 31, the moon will again to the pace of
Go to the new.
go to the pace of new moon.
Okay. So this pace is again reverses. Okay.
Again reverses.
Next. So
October-
do you watch every month all these phases of moon from new moon to full moon? Have you watched every?
At October 31, there will be a new moon day.
Okay, you know that. Very good.
At
What was the last
full
full
new
moon?
moon day.
What was the last day of full moon?
October 1.
October 1. Okay.
Full moon day is October 31 next.
Okay, next.
Last new moon day November 15. Next new moon day November 15.
Oh,
October.
very good. Very good. Next.
October 15.
Go to
Next, about comets. A comet is a celestial object made of puff head and tail. The head of the object
Comet consists
of solid particles held together by ice, and the tail is made up of gases.
Okay. So
Asteroids are small solid objects that move around the sun. These are also found in an asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. The size of the asteroid is from 80 centimeters to 2,400 kilometers.
wow, how much difference, eh? About meteoroids.
A meteor is a stone-like or
Metallic
body. Meteors which strike the Earth's surface are called meteoroids. These are also known as shooting stars.
Why shooting stars? Because what it is doing, it strikes the earth's surface, so it's called shooting. See the picture of the meteorites.
This is
Okay. So you have collected lots of data.
an astronaut landed on the moon.
Is it?
Or a human too.
Okay. Who you know who was that person first reached the moon?
I don't know. Tell me. I don't know.
Okay, you will learn. Okay, you collect
An
the data.
astronaut.
Yeah, he is astronaut only. You will have to refer
The
your
weight
book.
of the moon and height is 1/6 of the Earth.
Oh, how do you know this?
Has less gravity.
Okay.
Has no atmosphere.
Okay, now
Earth has atmosphere.
you have lot of data about universe, and thanks for sharing with us.
Moon does not have no own light. Sun has own light.
Okay, very good, very nice, Avi. Thank you.